Unfolding the mystery. Throw in the cards. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across: throw in the cards. This expression has a rich background and an interesting usage in everyday English. Let's unfold its meaning together and learn how to use it in our conversations. The phrase, throw in the cards, originates from card games, where it signifies a player's decision to quit the game, admitting defeat or choosing not to continue. This act of literally throwing one's cards down on the table signals that the player is out of the game. It's a visual and definitive way of showing that one no longer wishes to compete. In everyday English, to throw in the cards is used metaphorically to mean giving up, quitting, or withdrawing from a situation. It's often used in contexts where someone decides to stop pursuing a goal, project, or activity due to difficulty, disillusionment, or the realization of inevitable failure. The phrase conveys a sense of finality in the decision to cease efforts and move on from a particular endeavor. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. 1. In work. After months of trying to save the project, the team finally decided to throw in the cards and start afresh on something more viable. 2. In personal goals. I've been trying to learn advanced calculus on my own, but it's so challenging that I'm about to throw in the cards. 3. In relationships. They tried to make their long-distance relationship work, but eventually, they threw in the cards, realizing it was too hard to maintain. Understanding and using phrases like, throw in the cards, can add depth and nuance to your English communication. It's a powerful way to express the action of giving up in a situation, with its roots in the visual and dramatic world of card games. We hope this explanation helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in your own conversations. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new expression you master is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.